Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to organize detailed info on your product pages, like descriptions, specs, and reviews? In this video, I'll show you how to manage product data tabs in WooCommerce for free. When you edit a product in WooCommerce, scroll down to the Product Data panel. Here, you'll find the default tabs. The General tab is for price and tax. The Inventory tab is for SKU and stock. The Shipping tab is for weight and dimensions. The Link Products tab lets you set up upsells and cross-sells. The Attributes tab is for things like size or color. The most important for content is the Advanced tab. Here, you can add a purchase note or reorder the menu display. You can add a purchase note or reorder them to add a custom tab, like a Specifications or FAQ tab. You'll need a free plugin like Custom Product Tabs for WooCommerce. Install it, and a new Product Tabs section will appear when you edit a product. Add your own tab title and content, and that's it. Using the built-in and free custom tabs, you can create organized, informative product pages that answer customer questions and boost sales. If you add a custom tab, let me know what you call it in the comments. See you in the next one.